Okay, what I think it is with Beer Advocate is that when people add a new beer to the database, they don't take notes. For instance, Martello Stout, the Garrison Martello Stout. It's an English style stout. They have it listed it as 5% ABV. And that's a tad high for most English stouts, really. English stouts, they tend to be around between 4.2 and 4.8% or so. This one is 4.8. So that sounds more like it. I think some people, they just forget what it was and they give a rough guess. Oh, it's about 5%. Because whenever I find a discrepancy in the alcohol by volume, it's always by a couple of percentage points, or 0 point whatever percentage points. Unless it's like a difference between an imported version and a domestic version, then sometimes there's very noticeable differences. But at any rate, this is Garrison Martello Stout, and they used to have it in the 6-packs at my liquor store, but they stopped carrying it for some fucking reason. They always seem to, I think sometimes they secretly want to piss me off or something, because this is one of their more excellent beers. Okay, this is actually one of the first beers that got me into Garrison. Wow, I got that one on there tight. Holy shit, that was fun. Okay, let's pour that in my pump hose pint glass. Ooh. And that's sort of a chocolate kind of head on there. A bit more head than probably there should be. I think I poured it a little improperly, but yeah, a foamy kind of chocolatey head there. Okay. I can smell it from here. Get a little whiff of the aroma here. Ooh, damn. The smell's so strong that it borders on a porter, really. You definitely get the sort of the roasted malts. Very kind of smoky. Lots of coffee and chocolate. Maybe a bit of caramel in there. But the most pronounced thing is it's got a very smoky taste. It almost tastes burnt, like it's that sharp. So it's almost smelling like a put out campfire. And it's really nice. I like it. So we're gonna give it a taste now. Oh, and by the way, it's a very dark brown. Might as well call it black, but it is more of a dark brown. You can get some light through it, so. Ooh. Very strong. That's a very strong flavor for a stout. That reminds me, it'll remind people of Guinness Extra Stout, as far as the really roasted sort of bitter aftertaste goes. But there's some more pronounced kind of coffee and chocolate kind of flavors in there too, as well, right up front. Right at the tip of your tongue. It's almost like it could almost be like a porter. Very heavy kind of beer too. Like Guinness, this is one of those ones that will fill you up. Oh, that's lovely. That is so lovely. Very, oh, nice bitterness at the end. Really nice bitterness. Kind of a smoky, toasted bitterness. It's really beautiful. It's definitely what you expect when you drink a stout. It's one of the finest stouts I've ever had. The only thing about this one is, even if you're a stout drinker, some of the flavors in this are so pronounced and sharp that you probably wouldn't drink a lot of these in a row. You might be able to get away with 3 or 4, but this is a real substantial. It's a real rich kind of, really heavy stout. It's not like Guinness, which goes down a bit smoother, and you can actually have a couple. If you're a regular stout drinker, that is. I know people who aren't familiar with stouts, they have trouble with their first one a lot of the time. But yeah, these ones would definitely give you trouble. But it's an excellent beer. It's a really excellent beer. I gotta get another taste here. I haven't had this in so long. Oh, it's wonderful. That is wonderful. 4.5 out of 5, definitely. It's one of the finest stouts I've ever had. I don't even know if they still sell it in 6-packs anywhere. I imagine you probably have to go to the actual Garrison brewery or to a local bar in Halifax somewhere, and they probably have it on tap. But and of course you can get the sampler 6-pack or whatever that they have there. But yeah, it's worth finding though. It's worth checking out. It's a lovely, lovely stout. I can't see any stout fan not being really, really happy with this one. But be warned though, it's one of those ones that you only need 1 or 2. You try to put too many of these down, and you'll feel like you have a lead weight in the bottom of your stomach. So the Garrison Martello Stout, which is, in my opinion, their finest beer from Garrison, 4.5 out of 5. Really top of the line stuff.